ang success sa pelikula, tuloy-tuloy na ang TV comeback ni Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards. Una ang bigating production number sa All Out Sundays at isa pang show kung saan siya ang host. Nakatutok si Nelson Canlas.
Happy 31st birthday! Let's go!
In time for the upcoming Valentine's Day, ang kilig na hatid ni Alden Richards sa fans na namimista siyang mapanood mag-perform. This Sunday na kasi ang kanyang comeback sa Sunday variety show na All Out Sundays.
Yes, very excited po, very happy na kahit papaano nakabalik tayo, of course, to perform again with my fellow Kapuso stars. It's been, I think, a year and a half yata since my last appearance.
Spoiler alert, isa pang Kapuso big star ang makakasama niya sa isang song and dance production.
Birthday month kasi ni Heart, so may makikiselebrate tayo, may prod din kasama ko siya and other AOS artists.
Bukod sa All Out Sundays, may isa pa siyang TV comeback. Pahinga muna raw siya sa acting dahil hosting naman ang pagbubutihin niya ngayon.
I'll be a host for a show for GMA. I think we'll start grinding by March and then it will air on June. My last was Battle of the Judges pa and it really did well. So ngayon it's another new concept.
Nelson Canlas updated sa Showbiz Happening.